guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a haul for you. I was in Target's dollar spot and I could not believe what I found. So let me show you what I found. They have so many nice Christmas items out there. First, let me start off with these little containers. As you all know, I make those candy jars for every season, and this reminds me of one of them that it's kind of hard to find at Dollar Tree anymore. But this was in Target's dollar spot. It was $3 and it would make a great candy jar. So I picked up 2 of these, okay? And then I just picked up a bunch of these wooden letters. They're great to have anytime, but I do have a project in mind. And they were $1. And I picked up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 10 of these, okay? So I really do I love the color that's in them. It's such a pretty distressed farmhouse gray. I think it's beautiful. Then I saw this and I loved it. Candy canes making Christmas sweeter since 1674, and it's a metal little thing, and you can hang it if you want. It was $3, but I love this, and they had different kinds. They had some in green, but I love this, and it's domed, so I love that. That is so cute. Okay, then I saw this joy, and I think it is adorable. I love how it's written out. It's just beautiful, and it's just wood. And it was let me get it out here. It was $3, okay? So I definitely like that. And you can see it does stand up on its own. Then I saw this, Letters to Santa. And this actually has an opening in here, and it gives you little letters that your children can write and put in there, and then you can take them out in the back. I think this is adorable, and it says Santa here. I have an idea for this. I think this is going to be cute, okay? Then they had these sleds. I love this. Now they had it in natural, and then they had it in this almost like a pickled or a whitewashed, and I love it. It's so pretty, and it's pretty large. I mean, look, compared to me, it is pretty large. And it's pretty wide. This was $5, and it has this so you can hang it if you want. But I love this. I think you can really decorate your house very inexpensively with the dollar spot and Dollar Tree, okay? So then the next thing I found were these, and this just says Happy Holidays, and it's wood cutouts. And I think they're stickers. I know they're stickers. This was $3. You could even maybe put this in a planner, but I think I'm gonna do something different with it. And then Merry Christmas. I think that is so pretty because I think it's really too big for a planner, but you could put this on anything. So I love that. And like I said, they were $3 each. Then I saw this snow, just a little craft snow. And I didn't need much, but it is so pretty and shimmery. It was $1, so I went ahead and picked it up. And then they had these trees. I think they're so pretty. They just look so cold. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but it just looks like it has tons of snow on it, and it's shiny. And these were $1, but I love them. So I got 2 of these, and then I saw this little sled, and I loved it. And it's a chalkboard. You can write on it, and it has the little wreath on it, and it just looks like, actually it looks like a sled I used to have growing up. And then this to hang it. I just think it's adorable, and it's a pretty good size, actually. I mean, you know, it's pretty long and it's pretty wide. And then I picked this up. Now this didn't come out of the dollar spot. This was just in their Christmas section, but it was $5. But I wanted something to hang a wreath on my bathroom door, and it has to be relatively thin. So I went ahead and got this. I think this will work. And then they had these Christmas trees, and you got 4 in a pack, and they were $3. And they're pretty good size. So I thought that was a good deal. And then they had the smaller ones that went with it, and they were $3 as well. But you get quite a few. You get 6 in this one and 4 in this one, but I think they're really cute. And then I got a pack of the little wreaths for $3, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 5 of these wreaths. So that's really cute. And then I went to Walmart and just picked up a few things. I picked up another one of these really tall trees like I actually have inside my lantern house. And this one was $2, but I picked another one of those up. And then I was walking in there actually to pick some things up for Mom, and I saw these flowers. And I just thought they looked so cold with the snowy pine cones and the little snowballs. And then the glitter. I just love them. So I picked up one bunch of this, and they were $5. Find it. They were $5 right here. You can really get a lot of nice flowers or greenery at Walmart. Always check Walmart out. And then when I was in Dollar Tree, I picked up this little plate that says Cookies for Santa. I think that is so cute, but I love that. So I picked this up. So I hope you enjoyed my haul. I had so much fun getting things, and I'm just so excited to start working on this too. I have so many other DIYs that I have to get done before Christmas. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.